So, you want to learn how to use Final Cut Pro and do it quickly. Or sometimes we say, it's the Final Cut Pro. I think that's just what I said. So, with Final Cut Pro, first thing that you want to do is shoot some video, assuming you've done that. What you can do is take your SD card and put it into your Mac. Sometimes you need an adapter, sometimes your Mac has a slot ready to go. And it shows up right there. Or if you go to Finder, it should appear right there. Once you have that, you can do that. A nice thing is, actually I'm going to eject that and show you the cool thing that Final Cut Pro should do for you. And so I'm going to do Control-1 to go to Launchpad, do FCP for Final Cut Pro, open it up. There we are. The next thing I want to do is create a library, and then I'll import video into that library. So we go to File, New, Library, or if you already have a library, remember libraries hold events and events hold raw media and projects. So maybe you already have a library that you're putting stuff into. If not, you can just create a new one. I'm creating it in my movies folder, and I'll call this Sunrise. Create a new library right here on my computer. I can see up here that I have Sunrise and I have Smart Collections. It just did that automatically if I want to mark clips and have them automatically go in there. That's a good feature, but we won't talk about it yet here. Then it created an event for me, and instead of just creating a new event, I'm just going to rename this and call it Sunrise. And then we want to have a project inside of our event, so I'm going to go to File, New, Project. And I think I'll also call this Sunrise. We're ready to go with our Sunrise project inside of our Sunrise event. Here it's showing right here. Here's our Sunrise project. Now I want to import some media. So I'm going to go to File. Oh, and I can select Import Media. Or what I could do is if I just stick in my SD card at this point, here it goes. Final Cut, as soon as the computer sees that there's video, Final Cut will go, hey, look, there's video. Sometimes it will try to open up a photo app if it recognizes photos there, and then I just have to close out of the photo app and go back to Final Cut. Well, I have a few images here that I can choose from. Remember, every video clip takes up permanent space on your computer until you delete it. So I only want to import the ones that I'm going to use. So let's get a far shot. Then I'm going to hold down the Command key and select the next one. And then I'll hold down the Command key and select the next one. So 3 shots. Far shot, medium shot, and a close-up. And remember to select multiples. I just hold down Command while I click. Then I click on Import Selected at the bottom right of the window. I can see, depending on what version you have, you may get a little wheel up at the top showing that the importing is in progress. In older versions, the wheel is down here in the middle that shows you that the importing is in process. And I also got a message here saying that it's imported. Okay, video is now imported. You can do the same thing with audio clips if you wanted to bring music in or recorded voiceover. From here, we will then go to loading the video clips into our project.